Hey guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. So I have the June 2025 Cat Lady box. Got here a little smushed. But I'm going to set up the camera and Levi and I are going to show you everything inside. Hi guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I have the June 2025 Cat Lady box. Mr. Levi is right here. He's kind of antisocial. At least with me. He's a typical cat. All right, Levi, let's show everybody what's in here. First of all, the box came kind of messed up. It's a new cover this month. It's purple. Absolutely just the carrier's fault. That particular carrier, not any fault of CatLadyBox. Here is the artwork in this month's box. It's really a cute picture. Oh, it's a cat taking a nap. And the artist is Makitsu Niko. It's a Ukrainian artist. She's known for her adorable and distinctive artwork. Okay, let's show you everything in the box. My favorite thing is this trucker hat. I am really kind of not a hat person, but something about this hat. Look at that little emblem on there. Isn't that the cutest? This is my new favorite hat. What do you think, Levi? Let's put him in the picture. There he is. Say hi. No, don't bite. Don't bite. All right. He don't want to be in the picture. So that's the first thing, is the hat. Love it, love it, love it. I'm not even a big fan of green, but I like this hat. That is valued at $16.99. And by the way, if you want to get 20% off your first box, use code MEOW at CatLadyBox. I'll leave the details down below. It is not an affiliate code. It's just a discount for you. Okay, here's another cute toy. This is loaded with catnips. A pair of little sunnies, little sunglasses. Give it back to Levi. Yeah. Oh, wouldn't it be cute if he would wear them? he just had that in his mouth. That is worth $5.99. And then we got another toy right here. Little nautical cowboy boot, also worth $5.99. Very cute. It's a little coastal catitude for cats who like a little yee in their meow. Then we have some scrunchies. I'm gonna gift these to my son's girlfriend. She would love these. These are worth $6.99. There's 2 scrunchies and they have the little cat ears. Very cute. She's gonna love it. She is turning 21, so I am doing a little birthday box for her. I'm gonna mail it to her. She's gonna dig it. Okay, the last thing in the box, which is by far my favorite t-shirt that CatLadyBox ever made. Let me see if you think so. Look at this shirt. Isn't that the cutest? It says, "Take it easy." That is just so me. This is me style. This is Lisa style. This is a medium. The t-shirts hold up in the wash. Sometimes I put them in the dryer. Sometimes I don't. They don't shrink. They're amazing. I love them. Simple. And it's the truth. So yeah, still the medium. I don't know. I just think this t-shirt is the best. Best one we've seen so far. So Meow will get you 20% off your box. And that is all she wrote. We got the hat, the shirt, 2 toys, and the scrunchies. It says Kitten Soft Cat Scrunchies, by the way. Very great box for the month of June 2025. This is the Crazy Cat Lady box. I'll leave all the details down below. Thank you, CatLadyBox, for sending me this box for my review. And Levi appreciates everything as well. He was chewing on the box last night. I don't know why. He's crazy. I want to see if I can get these sunglasses on him and show you guys. without him biting me. Come here. All right, you want to hold it just like that? Come here. Come here. Come here. I think these would be the cutest sunnies on you. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just mommy be a pain. All right, you're not gonna wear those sunnies. He just wants to bite. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bite this, not me. Be a good boy. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. If you be so kind, hit that like button, subscribe. I would love it. All right, I'll see you all. Bye.